Gemini AI, developed by Google, can enhance your YouTube content process by leveraging its advanced AI capabilities. Let's see how you can actually use it for YouTube. You can use it for scripting. Yes, as you can see the screen, I'm using it to generate a script for the YouTube video. It's so simple. Gemini AI chatbot. You can generate a full screen or outlines or rough sketch, and you can even use it for SEO optimization. What are the top keywords of FFmpeg commands and stuff. Now you have to check the thumbnail suggestion. You can upload your videos thumbnails. Now Google Gemini will suggest you how you can enhance the thumbnail. You can make it the text bold, positioning, and different suggestions from the AI. You can even edit videos with AI. No, AI won't edit your video itself, but you can have some editing tools experience. You can enhance the quality of Gemini. There are a lot of things that Gemini can actually do it for you. Even Gemini has a lot of capabilities. It can even do a lot of stuff. You can use Gemini to draft professional replies to the video comments. It will make you a great YouTuber at this point. You can even send your data of YouTube to Gemini to check how your YouTube videos are responding to the world. So this was how you can use Gemini AI. Gemini AI is pretty powerful chatbot at this time. If you want to use it for YouTube, this is one of the best thing you can do, and I'll see you in the next one.